Ever feel like your core workouts have hit a wall? Endless crunches aren't giving you that six-pack you want. You need an exercise that targets your entire core at once. And that's exactly what an AB roller wheel does. It's affordable, effective, and fits anywhere. That's why I tested the top AB rollers on Amazon to find the ones that deliver serious results. From basic wheels to automatic rebound models and complete kits with push-up bars, these AB rollers are game changers for home gyms and anyone serious about building core strength. Check the links below for the best prices, and let's dive into the top picks. First up, for those who want a simple, no-frills AB roller that gets the job done, we have the Vinzguir ab roller wheel with knee pad accessories. This is the classic ab wheel design that has helped thousands of people build impressive core strength. It features a sturdy dual wheel design with a non-slip rubber tread that provides excellent stability and control during your rollouts. The wheel is designed to move smoothly across carpets, hardwood floors, or mats. The included knee pad is thick and comfortable, protecting your knees during extended workout sessions. For beginners and intermediate users who want an affordable, reliable, and effective AB roller that doesn't have any unnecessary bells and whistles, this Vinzguir model is a fantastic starting point that delivers real results. Next, we have another excellent option from the same trusted brand, focusing on core strength training. The Vinzguir Ab Roller Wheel for abdominal and core strength training. This model shares many of the same quality features: the sturdy dual wheel design, the comfortable knee pad, and the smooth rolling action. It's built specifically for men and women who want to target their entire core, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques. The ergonomic handles provide a secure, comfortable grip, even when your palms start to sweat. Regular use of this AB wheel can help you build definition, improve posture, and even reduce back pain by strengthening the supporting muscles around your spine. For anyone looking for a straightforward, well-built core training tool from a reputable brand, this Vinzguir AB roller delivers consistent performance. For those who want a more advanced, feature-packed AB roller, we have the 2026 upgraded AB roller wheel with automatic rebound. This isn't your grandfather's ab wheel. This modern version features an automatic rebound mechanism that assists you on the way back up, making it perfect for beginners who struggle with the full range of motion, or for anyone who wants to get more reps with less strain. It also includes elbow support, which helps you maintain proper form and reduces stress on your wrists and shoulders. A built-in timer lets you track your workout duration, so you can progressively overload and measure your improvement over time. The wheel itself is wide and stable, preventing tipping during rollouts. For beginners who are intimidated by traditional AB wheels, or for anyone who wants a smarter, more supportive core workout tool, this upgraded automatic rebound AB roller is a brilliant innovation. For those who prefer the trusted Vinzguir brand but want a complete workout experience, we have another version of the Vinzguir Ab Roller Wheel with knee pad accessories. This model emphasizes full body strength training, not just core work. While the primary movement is the AB rollout, this exercise also engages your shoulders, chest, back, arms, and even your glutes and legs when done with proper form. The dual wheel design offers superior stability compared to single wheel models, reducing the risk of wobbling and potential injury. The comfortable knee pad allows you to focus on your form rather than discomfort. For home gym owners who want one piece of equipment that hits multiple muscle groups and builds functional strength, this Vinzguir AB roller is an efficient and effective choice. Finally, we have a complete AB workout kit that goes far beyond just a wheel. The Ab Rollers wheel kit with push-up bars, resistance bands, and knee mat. This is the ultimate all-in-one core training system. In addition to the high-quality ab roller wheel, you get push-up bars that protect your wrists and allow for deeper push-ups, resistance bands for adding variety to your workouts, and a thick, comfortable knee mat. This kit allows you to perform dozens of different exercises, from AB rollouts and push-ups to banded crunches, rows, and curls. It's perfect for home gym owners who want maximum versatility from a single purchase, or for beginners who want to build out their home gym setup without buying pieces individually. For those who want to do more than just AB rollouts and truly transform their full body strength, this complete kit offers incredible value and variety. From the simple, reliable Weinsgeier ab wheel, perfect for beginners, to the advanced automatic rebound model with elbow support and timer, and the complete kit with push-up bars and resistance bands, these 5 ab rollers offer effective solutions for building core strength and stability. Think about what matters most to you. Is it simplicity and affordability? Beginner-friendly assistance? Or a full kit that lets you perform dozens of exercises? One of these AB rollers is the answer. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and get ready to feel that burn.